What's up, TNS family? We're back with another vlog. It's your girl Sarah.
It's your boy Tuxx.
And today is White Sunday.
Let's go.
So today's Kids Day, Children's Day, and we're celebrating it really late. Okay, sorry, we actually had to come outside, but we're celebrating it really late because our church was just really busy that we couldn't actually celebrate on the actual day, which was last week. So please, family, stay tuned. Give this video a massive thumbs up. And down in the comment section, hashtag Happy White Sunday. Let's go.
Not long ago, I found out the true meaning of White Sunday was to celebrate the kids in Samoa that lost their lives to a disease, and that's why all of Samoa united, and they chose to make White Sunday, where every child, everywhere they go, they wear white, and they just celebrate them. And you know, like, I'm grateful that our culture or our country was able to do this and pull this off for children that we remember. So from there till now, this is a remembrance day for us. For the Samoan children that lost their lives, but also to celebrate our own children that have made it. You know, from last year till now, that's a whole lot of blessings God has blessed us with. And now we've made it to another year, another White Sunday, and I just want to say Happy White Sunday to every child in this house. You know, it says in Psalms 127 verse 3, it says, children are a gift from God. They are a reward from Him. You know what that means? We're special, us children. You know, a lot of things come from children. We grow up, we carry the ministry. And that's the biggest thing, you know. When children grow up, you want them to walk in the eyes of the Lord. You want them to be seen by God, you know. But when God says in His word, you know, these are not the words of man. You know, it's His scripture. It says we are a reward and a gift from God. You know, us children, we don't even take this lightly. We've got to take it heavy, you know. We've got to give thanks to God for everything He's done. So yeah, bottom line, Happy White Sunday to everybody. Before we start, I'd just like to honor God. I ask that we all stand up and I'll lead you into prayer. I ask that you close your eyes and you lift up your hands. I'll lead you into prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for everything you have done for us, Lord Jesus. For bringing us to another White Sunday, Lord Jesus. For taking care of us from that year till now, Lord Father. We thank you for your unconditional love, your faithfulness, your grace and your mercy, Lord Jesus. We thank you, Lord Father, for all that you do. Lord, as I pray to you today, I pray that you're the most seen, the most heard, and the most high, Lord Father. May all the glory be given to you, Lord Jesus. And in your mighty name I say this prayer. Amen. I got a scripture and it comes from Psalms, and it's basically the words of our song, and it says, enter His gates with thanksgiving and His courts with praise. Give thanks to Him and praise His name. Thank you. God bless.
A few moments later.
Okay, so check it out, family. There was a small team of us that put together all this food and stuff. So we had a whole lot of KFC. Mind the mess, everyone's already finished eating. So here we go, we had the KFC. A whole lot of KFC. There was Big Macs with chickens, quarter pounders, and I think that's it. And of course the chips. Then we had about 50 pizzas. All here, bang, bang, bang. There's still some more. We had potato salad, mamui, and chicken wings. Gone. And pisupo remains. And also we had a jumping castle.
Come forward, we're going to play a game.
So bang, there we had that jumping castle. And then we also had a lolly station, popcorn, and fairy floss, which has been demolished. And also the drink station right here.
Okay, kids, last chance before we start the game.
And it was also a bit of a Mickey Mouse kind of theme, sorry. Mickey Mouse theme. They're gonna play some games. There's some prizes on the stage. And sorry for all the flipping and just that, but I just want to say today is about the kids. It's always about the kids, guys. They are the future, and they will carry on the ministry, whatever we leave behind for them.